Hello class, today I am telling you how to connect your Qualcomm, MediaTek, SPD and fastboot connectivity method. Now I am taking the little notepad and written there. So if you're getting Qualcomm type of model like example Vivo S1 Pro, in Xiaomi like Redmi Note 7 Pro or Qualcomm connectivity. So, how to connect your Qualcomm phone on your PC? So, if you're getting before 2018 model, you can connect your phone volume, switch off your phone first, switch off your phone first. Next, press volume up, like that is your volume up, and volume down, that is volume minus. Connect. And if you're getting after 2018 model, after 2018 model, that case you need EGL point or test point for the connectivity of Qualcomm. So how will get the test point or EGL point? I have example. Go on Google and type there like example I want to need Vivo S1 Pro EGL point. I want to unlock that phone. So how to get the EGL point for the connectivity? Go on Google and type there Vivo that model, and after you can type there EGL point or test point, you will getting the number of images. Take any one images like I am accepting these images, and please match your images from the board. Make sure your peak Google Peaks and board is same. Next, remove the battery from the battery connector. So this is your battery connector. Remove only battery connector from the phone. Take the tweezer, simple tweezer, that is 2 points. Take the tweezer and connect these 2 points of tweezer endpoints here and connect USB cable from the PC. It will make a port Qualcomm HS USB QD loader 9008 and ports here. Okay, simple. It will make a port Qualcomm HS USB QD loader. But if you're flashing and unlocking, minimum need battery charge how much? 50%. That means if you want to unlock or flash of any phone or any CPU type of model like MediaTek SPD or Silicon or Qualcomm, you need minimum 50% charge of that battery. So you can connect Qualcomm connectivity for if you're getting before 2018 model, you can switch off your phone, press volume up and down and connect. If you're getting after 2000 model, you need ideal point or test point for the connectivity, and minimum you have need battery charge is 50% for the unlocking and flashing. Next one, that is your MediaTek. How to connect MediaTek phone? Its connectivity method is two method. First one, that is a Bro method. How to connect Bro method? In Bro method, switch off your phone first. Sorry, switch off your phone and and press volume up and volume down, that is minus, and connect your phone. And it also need minimum battery charge 50%. Same. While you have working your Oppo, Vivo, Realme, any brand or any CPU, you need minimum battery charge 50%. Okay, so it is a method of MediaTek connectivity mobile. Next one, that is SPD phone, that is SPD, that is spectrum short form, that is your SPD saying, and also it's showing SC. Okay, in short we are saying SPD, but main short form is SC. Okay, so it is your SPD. You can how to connect SPD type of phone. Simple method, it's connect, press switch off your phone first. Next, press volume up and down and connect. And you need also 50% charge. Sometime no need volume up and down. Sometimes connect without volume key and connect. It will make a port. And next, fast boot. How to connect phone in fast boot mode? Simple. Switch off your phone first. Next, press volume down key and connect. It will make a port ADB fastboot driver. Okay, it will make a port ADB fastboot mode. Okay, so it's a method you can connect your phone for Qualcomm, MediaTek, SPD on and fastboot method. Thank you.